y'all? I'm back for another video, and as you can see by the title, today we're doing a hair tutorial. This is my first tutorial on this channel, so I am excited. You guys ask me all the time to show you guys how I've been doing my hairstyles in each of these videos, so I thought, why not start with the simplest one? So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my big body wave curls. I don't really know what else to call them, but I'm pretty sure that makes the most sense. Right now I kind of just have like the natural wave in. So basically what I have in my hair right now are 3 bundles from Nadula Hair. So I have an 18-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, and a 22-inch bundle, and then on the top is just my real hair. So I have like a leave out. I chose to do a leave out with these bundles only because normally I do like 26 inches to get like extra length, but this time I only did 22, and my natural hair is about 20 inches anyway, so you can't really see where it starts and stops. But yeah, so these bundles are from Nadula Hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my body wave with these bundles. But first, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do that. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to do it. You did it? Great. Now you can watch the video, and welcome to our family. Also, make sure you follow me on my socials. They're going to be right here or whatever. But let's just jump into it. Okay, y'all, so this is my curling one. I think it's Conair. I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. So basically what I'm going to do is grab one strand of hair on the top like so. I'm going to start wrapping it tightly around the wand like you see now, and then I'm going to leave that there for like 15 seconds or so, just depending on what you feel like is best. Then I'm going to release it but into my hand and bounce it just to hold that curl a little bit longer. Then I'm going to do the same thing with another piece of hair, except this one is just a little bit longer, so you see it's a little bit more wrapping on the wand, but it's the same process of 15 seconds and then a slow release into my hand. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do it with your leave out and your bundle piece. See, my leave out is on the top. I've put it with the bundle piece, and now I'm wrapping together on the wand and twisting. As you can see, I'm doing with my wrist just to make sure the curl shows up as one big spiral and you can't tell where my real hair starts and ends. Then we're going to do the same release with holding the curl in the hand, and I'm going to repeat this throughout my whole head. Also guys, I know I look like Cindy Lou Who right now with the top ponytail part, but don't worry, that is going to be fixed later in the video. Okay, so now you see like I have all these nice like springy curls. I'm not gonna wear it like this, but I mean you could, but basically I'm just like scrunching them up, just holding that heat in again before we brush these out. So now you need a paddle brush. This is mine, just like a wide brush, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like, how can I show this? I'm basically gonna take my hand like this, wrap it around here, like kind of like putting it in a pigtail, and then just brush down. See all that now? And then kind of like brush the excess at the top. Now we should have a bunch of body. Okay, and then I'm gonna repeat the process on this side. You can see how much more volume now this has. Like, yes. Wrap the hand around the top, brush down to get the waves. Now I have all of this So yeah, again, for this tutorial, I used bundles from Nadula Hair. All of my information about this hair will be down below if you want to check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see y'all in my next one.